So today is very important chapter of mathematics, that is basics of trigonometry. So trigonometry is considered to be very important in mathematics, and to study the trigonometry we should learn the ratio. And so the topic of today is basics of trigonometry. So before jumping into the ratio, let's see what is trigonometry. Trigonometry is a part of mathematics, or you can call it a branch of mathematics that study the relationship between the side length, that is side length, and the angle of a triangle. So what is angle? These are the angles. So the trigonometry is a study, it deals with the side length and the angle of triangle. However, particularly the trigonometric relationship and the ratio is only true for the right-handed triangle. So here you can call it, here the 90 degree is formed, and the opposite to 90 degree, you can, this is hypotenuse, and let's call it A. So here is A, and this line, this is called base, and this is perpendicular. So P for perpendicular, and their base is this. So here the Pythagoras formula will be true, and it is a right angle triangle. However, the other side, other triangle, in the other triangle, the trigonometrical ratio will not hold true. So let's see some of the real world example of the trigonometry. Here you can call it, it's a two example. Here the 90 degree is forming in first example. Here there is second example, the in the base of a tree the 90 degree is forming. So for the two of the example, the trigonometrical formula will be hold true. Here the line of sight is a hypotenuse. The C to B is a height, or you can call it perpendicular. The A to B is a base. So here Pythagoras formula will be true. It is a 90 degree or right angle triangle, and this is angle of elevation. Here the trigonometrical ratio will hold true. In the second example, the 90 degree is formed, and the opposite of 90 degree is hypotenuse. This H is height, or you can call it perpendicular. X is base. So in this also the trigonometrical ratio will hold true. Now let's see the trigonometrical ratio. So trigonometrical ratio, as I said earlier, is a relationship between the angle and the side of a triangle. So here we are going to talk about angle A, and the opposite of angle A is a perpendicular, and the side which is adjacent to A is AB, and the hypotenuse formed just opposite to 90 degree. So this is hypotenuse, that is AC. So hypotenuse is AC, perpendicular is BC, and the base is AB. So all these three sides with the angle A will form some relationship, and we will call different nomenclature with that. So the first nomenclature, the first relationship, that is sine A. So what is sine A? Sine A is the opposite of A, that is the perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So what is perpendicular? Perpendicular is BC, and what is hypotenuse is AC. So sine A or sine of angle A is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So this is first relationship. It is a fundamental relationship. Now let's see the cos A, the cosine of angle A. The cosine of angle A is base, the angle, the side with the angle is base. So here base is AB, and upon the hypotenuse, that is AC. So cos of A is base upon hypotenuse. In the similar way, tangent or tan of A is called the perpendicular upon base. So here perpendicular will be BC, and the base will be AC. So these three are very important trigonometrical ratio. The other trigonometrical ratio are derived from these three also. So next trigonometrical ratio is cosec A. So cosec A is just opposite of this, the inversely proportion of sine. The sec A is inversely proportion of cos, and con is inversely proportion of tan. So these three are just inversely proportion of first three. So the cosec A is inversely proportional of sine A. It means that the perpendicular will be in denominator, and in numerator there will be hypotenuse. So AC upon BC. In sec A, it is inversely of cosec, cos A. So the base will be, or the AB will be in denominator, and in the numerator you will get hypotenuse. So AC upon AB. And last, that is cot A. It is inversely proportional of tangent A. So it means the base, that is AB, will be in numerator, and BC will be in denominator. So these three is interrelated or inversely proportion of their respective other fundamental relationship. So thank you.